Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to find your Robinhood routing number. Your Robinhood account comes with a unique routing number, which is crucial for various financial transactions. You can quickly access this information directly through the Robinhood app or by logging into your account on their website. Knowing where to find this number will help you manage your finances more efficiently. To find your routing number in the Robinhood app, first open the application on your mobile device. Look for the account icon, usually located in the bottom right corner, and tap it. From there, select Investing to reveal your detailed account information. Both your routing number and your individual account number will be prominently displayed on this screen for easy access. Your Robinhood routing number is vital for several financial activities. You'll need it to set up direct deposits, ensuring your paycheck goes straight into your Robinhood account. It's also essential for configuring automatic bill payments or other electronic transfers. Always double-check that you're providing the correct routing number along with your specific account number to avoid any transaction issues. Protecting your financial information is paramount. Always keep your Robinhood account details, including your routing number, secure and never share them with untrusted sources. Before making any significant transfers or setting up new services, take a moment to verify the routing number to prevent errors. Remember to check the description below for a link to darn tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.